Hello friends, today I will show you how to use the email notification from feature in Oracle Cloud Project. So to do that, I will create a Oracle Cloud project and I'll show you how to use the email notification feature in that. So once you log in to your Oracle Cloud account, you will get this screen, and from there you need to click on the integration, then you will get this screen. And here if you see, we have a button like create, so click on the create button, and from here we need to select the integration style. So I will select the app driven orchestration and will click on the select button, and after that we need to provide few information. So like I will give the name like OIC underscore uh, send email notification. I will give this name service, then click on the create. You will get this screen. So here we need to add the endpoint. So for that I will select the REST endpoint, example REST endpoint, and will configure this. So here we need to provide the name of that endpoint. So I will give send email notification and will click send email notification service and will click on the next button. Here we need to give the URI like send email notification service. You can give any name, but I am going to give send email notification service, and this endpoint, I mean the operation is going to be the gate. Now click on the next button, then this is completed. So friends, like this, I have configured the endpoint first, and now I'm going to add the email action, like which is called notification. I will add the action which is notification and will give the name like send email. We'll click on the create button. So friends, here it's asking from to subject and body information. So here we need to give the from email address, like in my case I will give Ola reply at oracle.com, which is the default one, and we'll click on the validate button. Now this is valid. After that we need to give the two email address, where you want to send the email notifications. I will give this email address. You can also give multiple email address. So I will click on the validate button to check whether this information is correct or not, and after that we'll click on the close button. Now the next one is subject. So subject, you can give any subject. In my case I will give testing email notification. We'll click on validate, and after that we'll click on close button. Here we can give the email body, anything we can give, like we give please do not reply this sample email notification test service. You can type anything here. Now this is done. So we'll click on the validate and click on the close button. But before closing the button, just please make sure that the email address which you have given is correct or not. Otherwise email will not go through. Then click on the close button. Now here you see there is error. So to solve that problem, we need to click on the tracking and select the execute and click on this button and then save it. Then that error will automatically go. So this tracking is very much important to track the service once you deploy. Now this activity is useless. I'm going to delete this. We'll delete this activity, and after that I will save this project and close this. So now I have configured the email notification feature in this particular project, and friends, I'm going to test it. So before doing that, we need to activate the service. So we'll click on the activate, and after that I will test this service and I'll show you how email notification is sent out. Now we'll click on the refresh, and now you see this is the run button. So from here you can run the integration which you have just created. So we'll click on this button and then we will get this option, and from here we can click on the test now link, and it will navigate to the next window. From there we can test this particular integration. So click on the refresh. If it's not loading on time and if it's taking a bit longer time, then you will get this window, and from here you can click on the test button to test this service. After that you will get the a status here, whether all the actions whatever you have added to this particular integration are executed correctly or not. So here I see all are success. So now I'll go back and I will check the email whether I have received or not. So friends, here see I have received email just now, and I will show you what is the content in that email. So this is the same thing which I have given in the configuration. So it means I have received the email notification. So friends, this is how we create a Oracle integration for Oracle Cloud where we can use the email notification feature. So in my next video I will show you how to send out an attachment with the email and how to do the configuration. That I'll show you in the next video. So if you like my video, friends, please click on the like button, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.